hope you're all doing well and you're well, healthy and safe. So today I'm just going to do a bit of a science experiment. It's going to look very cool. So here are the things that you will be needing. A bit of oil, some water in a glass, some food coloring, any color you want, and then one of these effervescent tablets. It doesn't have to be Curenza, but just one or other effervescent tablet. Okay, so first you're going to take one of Mom's wine glasses. Just be careful, don't break it. So first what we're going to do is we are going to pour in the water, and then we're going to see what is going to happen. So first the water goes in, there at the bottom, just a little bit. There we go, good. Now in goes the oil. Now do you think oil and water will mix? I don't think so. Why? Because the oil is much thicker than the water. So you'll see when I pour it in, it's just going to lie on top of the water. It won't mix. So let's see. Pour in some oil. There we go. Lots of oil. Do you see? The oil is on top of the water. So the water is there at the bottom and the oil is there on top. So let's see what's next. So what next? We're going to throw in some food coloring. So I think it's going to make droplets as well. Oh, shucks, let me just get this open. Got it. Okay, let's see. Drop. A lot of drops. See, it makes droplets. Okay, now you see it made a lot of droplets there. So now let's see. If we throw in the effervescent tablet next, let's see what is going to happen. So we need one of these. And then we throw it in the bottom so it lies in the water. Okay, starting to fizz. Starting to make bubbles. You see, now it's starting to go up. There we go. There we go. And it's making a little volcano. Look at that. Oh, that's very cool. Volcanoes! See guys, it's very cool. Look at what it looks like on top. Look what it looks like on top. It's getting all the food coloring to go at the top. Okay, look at the bottom. It looks like a proper tornado now. There we go. See? Woo! Big tornado. Proper tornado. That's very cool. So this is just something fun you guys can do at home. Look at that, making big bubbles, like a big volcano in there. Until it all, oh, it's getting bigger. Slow start, but it gets bigger. Now it's making a storm in there. Yo. I hope you guys can still see. Look at that. Proper fizzing. And that's our little volcano experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed it.